Welcome to Health Harmony Hub, where we believe that small habits can lead to monumental health improvements. Today, we present the perfect 10 essential habits that will enhance your well-being and bring out the best version of you. In this video, we are going to see 10 good habits that enhance your health. Ready, guys? Let's get into it. 1. Rise and shine ritual. Begin your day with purpose. Establish a morning routine that includes hydration, stretching, and a nutritious breakfast. This sets a positive tone and fuels your body for the day ahead. 2. Hydration heroics. Hydration is the cornerstone of good health. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Add a splash of freshness with herbal teas or infused water to keep your body revitalized. 3. Move and groove. Incorporate daily physical activity into your routine. Whether it's a brisk walk, a workout session, or a dance break, keep your body in motion. Physical activity is a gift that keeps on giving. 4. Nutrient-rich nourishment. Treat your body like a temple. Prioritize a colorful and diverse diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These nutrient-packed foods support overall health and vitality. 5. Screen-free wind down. Create a tech-free haven before bedtime. Allow your mind to unwind by engaging in calming activities such as reading, gentle stretching, or practicing mindfulness. Quality sleep is a cornerstone of well-being. 6. Gratitude journaling. Foster a positive mindset through gratitude journaling. Reflect on the day's blessings and jot down moments of gratitude. This simple practice enhances your mental well-being and shifts your focus to the positive aspects of life. 7. Social connection boost. Cultivate meaningful relationships. Spend quality time with loved ones, connect with friends, and build a supportive community. Social connections are a powerful tonic for emotional well-being. 8. Regular health check-ins. Prioritize your health with regular check-ins. Schedule routine health screenings, dental checkups, and eye exams. Prevention is the key to long-term well-being. 9. Mindful breathing breaks. Integrate mindful breathing into your day. Take short breaks to practice deep breathing, promoting relaxation and reducing stress. Mindful breathing is a simple yet effective tool for maintaining balance. 10. Continuous learning. Nurture your mind through continuous learning. Whether it's reading, taking up a new hobby, or attending workshops, intellectual stimulation contributes to a fulfilling and well-rounded life. Congratulations on adopting these perfect 10 habits. Remember, small changes lead to significant results. For more tips on living a healthier life, subscribe to Health Harmony Hub. Until next time, be well and thrive.